Hello, welcome back. And as a continuation of our tutorial, I'm going to be teaching CSS Outline today. An outline is is a line that is drawn just outside the border edge, and it's different from the border, but this one is drawn outside the edge of the border. Okay, and just like the border, the outline has several properties, and so we can have an outline width the same way we did for border. So let me increase this to 5. I already wrote a code down. This is a paragraph, and so I selected the paragraph using the element selector for P. And so we'll just go ahead and there are a few differences. And so unlike the border, outlines do not take up space because they always place on top of the box of the elements, which may cause them to overlap the elements of the page. The outlines also won't allow us to set each edge to different widths or set different colors and styles to each edge. In other words, in outline you cannot set different colors to each side like borders, And so, but outlines don't have any impact on surrounding elements apart from overlapping. Unlike borders, outlines don't change the size or position of the elements. Okay, and outlines may be non-rectangular. And so we'll just go ahead and look at this example and see how it turns out. And so this is what we have. So we increase the width. Let's go ahead and see how we can increase that. Let me see if I can. Okay, so we can have outline width, we can have an outline color, we can have the outline style. Okay, so we already have the style. The style is dotted and the width is 10. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we can add color. Outline color, so I'm going to call this red. And so this is what we have. And so you can also write a shorthand for this. I'm gonna do a paragraph here, a header. I'm going to say, welcome to Outline. So I'm going to select this. So I'm going to use the shorthand. So to do that, you just write outline. So I'm going to say 5 pixels, solid, green. Okay, so you see outline. Outline looks almost like border. And so there is something you need to know. Internet Explorer 7 and lower versions do not support outline properties. And the Internet Explorer 8 supports outline properties only if you include a doc type. So I told you that the doc type helps to enhance the performance. So, but if in case you don't want to add any outline, you can also use outline, let's say P. You can say outline none. Okay, so you can use it to remove an outline. It's just to show that. So there are different kind of outline, just like we have the border. There is the dotted, there is the dash, there is a solid, there is a double, there is a groove, there is a ridge, there is the inset and outset. And so I would like you to take your time and look at it as well, the same way we did border. And so in the next lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to insert a cursor, CSS cursor, and change the style of the cursor. Alright, see you in the next class.